Are you gonna piss on this?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's gonna piss on it, bro.
get that up.
If I have to piss.
We'll
Oh,
put some
no,
ranch
you
on
not
it.
know if you have to piss. I don't know if I have to piss or not.
What's going on?
What the fuck?
I would have just pissed on your face.
It just
George.
got really quiet. I would have pissed on the back
That
of your head.
escalated quickly.
Just take a shit on the log. It's gonna smell so bad.
Yeah, burning wood with shit on fire.
Oh great, here comes another Facebook. But yeah, I gotta untag me.
I know, AJ.
Oh
Are
man.
you still recording? Like, what are you recording?
I'm still
It's
recording,
a
dude.
good bonfire at the Eatons.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah. Oh man, look at that fire. Huh?
We need something. Hey, somebody say something very intelligent. Very intelligent.
Quantum physics.
Periodic
Shut
table.
up. Let's say something intelligent, ass.
Something intelligent.
There we go. There we go.
Damn, he's fucking genius.
Life.
With a lighter? What?
You wanna?
That was gonna be dramatic. And you just
You wanna
ruined
burn yourself again? That's not. That was pretty bad.
Tyler, come out from the dark, man.
What is this video? Are you gonna pee on it now?
Okay, it's over.